This illustrates the exact method through which you can effectively follow the outlined strategy. It is called moving average crossover plus eating appointment in this particular analysis. The combination that the spring levels will give us will enable us to achieve our goal. It will provide a clear concept of trend shift for buying and selling, indicating where the trend has shifted into selling and where it remains downward. Additionally, please examine it carefully on the chart and take note of these moving averages displayed prominently before you. Where their crossover currently happens, it is also the same as this. What will you do above this crossover whenever you need to sell? From this current point, you have observed a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern forming near the indicated moving average crossover signal. We have initiated selling in our markets, performed selling, and executed bearish engulfing, but there will be a retest here. The moving average line that you clearly observe on the chart is projected to reach the level of resistances, and it is expected to do so within the next 2 glares. Only one previous Nori video is visible. It will create a zone for you, just like you place a detangle. Similarly, it will function as a rectangle. This will become... Now please proceed to break out this particular zone into an engulfing environment. These 2 lines have been reset, so from here you will start selling, you will sit here, and will cross here. Now, as long as the market conditions remain favorable, we can confidently proceed with our plans. The market didn't break out the upper line, it remained below it, meaning that the trend continues to show weakness and a potential further decline. The market's trend is not towards selling, it is not towards buying. So in a similar fashion, we will go back to the location where the market is conducted regularly. The line that you will see is the moving average, which is displayed in black color. As long as it consistently stays above these 2 reference lines, the overall trend will remain in selling. But where are we going to meet tonight? You will try to break and act with the marker. You need to correct here. These are your 2 lines, which are green and red. They will move upward, showing an increase. The trend of Den market is expected to shift to the left. However, in this particular case, such a shift did not occur as anticipated in both lines. Both of the objects have been carefully placed in a downward position by the team. They did not manage to break through this particular black line. As a result, the overall trend has clearly shifted towards selling, and additionally, you can see further support below, which an indicator has been placed at the same time. At the same moment, it will inform you about it. Currently, it remains above its previous level, thereby providing an engulfing candle. Within this series, Den market arrived at this particular strategic zone to conduct a thorough technical test, or alternatively to produce another significant bullish engulfing candle formation below this identified trading zone. Please refrain from selling from this location until both of these important conditions have been confirmed and verified. With double or triple confirmation, you then look here. Retesting has been done. So can you please let me know how many NBI turns have moved downward in the market lately? We will carry its confirmation to every location worldwide, so you will benefit.
You can be assured that you will not suffer any loss. However, if you make haste and proceed quickly, then you will successfully reach your destination, just as you have arrived here.
This is the black line, and this one is positioned below it. Moreover, you can see the marks placed above this. The franchise shifts to the buying side, the market stays on buy side, selling won't occur. What happens if both disappear? They will press each other constantly and then determine exactly where the market has gone. Unable to sell. Whatever you saw here, please consider it as well in your evaluation. This one and that one over here, so could you explain what has happened now? These 2 lines of Mobile avenues have taken a complete break at this particular spot. The first line is represented by the black line and the second line is indicated here. A big candle has come in high volume, sir. Now this candle will go towards market bind to connect with clear the market. How much time will you have available for purchasing items, provided that you carefully and efficiently blend the specific combination appropriately and fully understand it in the correct way? As you have been informed. So you will be able to do a good drive on your net active. Whether you want to do sentiment rate, scalping, or entry, the time frame is better for you. I just opened it for 15 minutes.